Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna go through all of the new dresses, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. First up is this dress from Jessica Simpson. It has that plunging V neckline, the little tie detail, balloon sleeve, tiers all the way down. It's a nice shorter length, and then it has this smocking in the back, and it also comes in the purple print. How pretty. And they are going to be $38. New denim dress from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, belt, 2 flat pockets, flows out, the little button on the wrist. It's a layer weight chambray with the seam detailing in the back. And this one is $34. Color in this mock neck sweater dress from Free Assembly. This has the gold buttons, the 2 pockets. It's a shorter length in the red. Now it also comes in navy, and they are going to be $26. Also new longer t-shirt dresses from Time & Tru. So these have that scoop neckline. It has that short sleeve. These are super soft and stretchy. It has the little pocket belt to put it in. Longer length, I would say midi length. Relaxed fit, and then that seam through the back. Comes in the black, also in the black and white stripe, and I think these are online only. This one says $14.98. Also new little like bubble dresses. I bought one of these from Shein. This style does not look good on me. It has the ruching, the high neck. It's so cute though. I wish it did, but I'm too like bottom heavy. But it comes in the red, also in the black, and they are $18. As the tank, so these have that pointel trim cap sleeve, the little bow fitted through the body, and then the little black trim at the bottom. It's fitted shorter in the white and black. Also comes in baby pink and black, and they're $21. Also new drop tier dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the smaller collar, snap buttons, 2 front pockets, oversized balloon sleeve with that drop tier at the bottom. You could see the gathering, nice and flowy. In the olive, also comes in navy, and they're $32. New dresses from Celebrity Pink. So these have a squared neckline. It has the balloon sleeve, lace trim, and then it flows out. The back has the same kind of fit, smocking with the little tie. Comes in the light blue with the flowers, and then also this beige, the smaller flower, and they're $22.50. These smock dresses from Celebrity Pink. So these have a little bit of a square neckline. It has the cap sleeve with the smocking through the body, has the little tier. It's flowy, about midi length, and then it continues around the back. In the white with the pink flowers, also the peach with the burgundy, and these are $24.50. New faux leather dresses from Scoop. These have the smaller collar, full button, belt, relaxed sleeve. It's a shorter length. The material is so nice. That's what it looks like on the inside, like a super soft suede, and then has really good seam detail. This one is going to be $36. New long sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This has that scoop neckline, Henley buttons, has the relaxed wrist with that little pleated detailing, the 2 front pockets, midi length, or it's shorter length, probably about knee length. Comes in the white with the gold. New Poplin dresses from Free Assembly. These have the small collar, drawstring in the waist. It's full button, flows out with the eyelet trim. Same kind of fit through the back. You could see that elastic goes all the way around. Comes in pink. They also have navy back there, and they are going to be $36. We also brought back these tier dresses from Time & Tru. So these have that crew neckline, short sleeves, tiers all the way down, nice and flowy with pockets. In the navy, also comes in teal. They have it black and green, and they're $11.98. Also new Poplin shirt dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that rounded collar, full button up into the waist, has that drawstring, the eyelet through the sleeve. We also saw a top that looks similar with the button, and then it flows out in the light blue. You could see the seam detail, and that elastic does go around the back. Also comes in solid white, and they're $28. Also new dress from Scoop. This one has that smaller collar, the little keyhole fabric covered button, drop sleeve, the button on the wrist. This is the extra large, so it is a shorter length. It's satin fabric with that seam in the back. and they are going to be $26. Also new shirt dress from Time and True. So this one has the smaller collar, full functioning buttons, flat pocket, button on the wrist, drawstring in the waist, has that tab sleeve with the seam in the back. In the beige, also comes in chambray. There's pink and olive, and they're $19.98. New style in this rib dress from Scoop. So this one has that high neckline. They had a like scoop kind of neckline in the one they released for holidays. This one's relaxed through the wrist, fit and flare, that same kind of cuts, that same kind of stretch material, and then it's the same fit through the back. And these are going to be $32. New long sleeve eyelet dress from Time and True. So this has that split V elastic. The eyelet at the bottom also comes with the belt. And they'll be linked down below. Also new gauze balloon sleeve dress from Time and True. So this one has that scoop neckline, has that oversized puff sleeve, functioning buttons with the belt. It's a flowy fit, little slits on the side. That same fit through the back, and they're $20. New colors in the satin dress from Sofia Vergara. So it says that plunging V, the button on the wrist, that little twist, a midi length, flowy, in the black and white zebra. Also comes in the black floral, and they are going to be $32. New dresses from Jessica Simpson. So this one's about a midi length. It has that plunging V, the balloon sleeve. It's a nice lightweight flowy fabric, has side pockets, and then smocking in the back. This one is going to be $40. That style also comes in this blueprint, and then they also have this style. With this one has that flutter sleeve, the crochet trim, tie detail, elastic in the waist, flowy, longer fit, and this one is also $40. New color in this crochet dress from Jessica Simpson. So this has that plunging V, the little scallop trim. It's a flutter sleeve. It does have the built-in slip, and it's midi length with the slits in the back. In this new blueprint, we saw it in the ivory, and they are $40. Also new drop tier dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the smaller collar, snap buttons, 2 front pockets, oversized balloon sleeve with that drop tier at the bottom. You could see the gathering, nice and flowy. In the olive, also comes in navy, and they're $32. Also new Poplin dress from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, full button, elastic in the waist, the belt flows out with the button on the wrist, and then the seam in the back, and those are $34. Also new belted dress from Free Assembly. So this has the ruffled neckline, buttons up into the waist, elastic, and then a dolman sleeve with a little ruffled trim and a drop tier. Super flowy, also comes with the belt to bring it in, and they're $34. And right next to that, a new dress from Jessica Simpson. This has that ruffled trim, the flutter sleeve, plunging V neckline, elastic at the waist, longer length, tiers all the way down, and then the seam fit through the back, and they are going to be $40. New dresses from Terra and Sky. These have that plunging V, the little ruching, elastic on the wrist. It's pleated through the front, and then also the back in the black, also comes in that white and black, and they're $34.99. Dresses from Jessica Simpson. These have that plunging V, elastic, tiers all the way down, nice and flowy, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $28. And then also new from Free Assembly is this little like twist poplin. So it also has the puff sleeve, flowy, tiers all the way down through the front and the back, and these are $36. New balloon sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline. It has the gathering. It's a poplin material with the elastic belt, and then it's flowy with pockets, ties in the back. Also has the smocking to pull it in with a zipper in the red. Also comes in black, and they're $36. Also new sneak peek dresses from Time and True. So they have that higher neckline, dolman sleeve. It's a ribbed stretchy material, midi length, scoops in the middle. You could see the slit on the side, and then the same fit through the back with the seam detail. Comes in camel, also in the green, and they're only $14.98. And then they also brought back these tank dresses from Time and True. Sleeveless, nice and flowy. You could size down. And these are pretty relaxed fit, and they're stretchy, and they have that seam detail in the back with pockets. They brought back the coral, teal, There's a camel and white stripe, and then also the solid black, and they're still $9.98. Also newer mesh cover-ups from No Boundaries. They have that higher neckline, sleeveless, the longer length with the slit on the side, in the black rhinestone. Also in the shorter option, the shorter is $18.98, and then the longer is $20.98. New halter neck terry dresses from No Boundaries. So those tie around the neck, they have that V. It's a terry stripe, flows out in the blue, also in pink, and these are $16.98. Sweater dresses from Sofia Vergara. So these have that sweetheart neckline, the ruching long sleeve, fitted through the body. It's midi length, that same fit through the back. New dresses from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the tie front, has the V neckline, an elastic in the wrist, also elastic in the waist, flowy. It's like we're getting back to like real boho style in the black floral. Also comes in this pink floral, and they are going to be $34. Sneak peek dresses. These are from Jessica Simpson. So it has that plunging V, the little tie, flutter sleeve, it's a flowy skirt, and then smocking through the back. They are going to be regularly $38. First up are these dresses from No Boundaries. So they have that plunging V cap sleeve, fitted through the body, maxi length, that same fit through the back, in the red, also comes in leopard. There's green and black, and they are only $10. So first thing are these high neck rib dresses from Time and True. Has that mock neckline, fitted through the wrist. It's a midi length, kind of flows out at the bottom. This is the extra small, so it is more of a relaxed fit. In the burgundy, also comes in black. There's green and ivory, and these are going to be $16.98. This is from Free Assembly. It has that scoop neckline, relaxed sleeve, the drop tier in this tweed print, so it looks like a post, has the zipper in the back. In the navy and white, also in the black, and they're $34. New Aria nightgowns, or these are joy spun. They have the thin strap lace trim. It's a relaxed fit, squared in the back, in this new red heart, also comes in the black heart, and they are regularly $9.98. Dress from Scoop. This one has that plunging V neckline, elastic and smocking on the wrist, also through the body. It's flowy through the front and the back, in the black floral, also comes in the solid black. And they're new piece in that plaid. I love this plaid. I wound up picking up this dress that I shared, so it'll be in the haul. But this one has the smaller collarful button up into the waist, the smocking. It's a flowy skirt with the button on the wrist and the seam in the back. In the green plaid, also comes in the black, and these are $32. And then also new are these sweater dresses from Scoop. So they have that V neckline, the side seam detail, a relaxed fit with the seam detailing in the waist, all kinds of ribbing in each tier, and then the same fit through the back. So it comes in the green, also in black, which can't go wrong with red lip. You could do a silver, cute little bag, and perfect holiday little black dress, and they're $32. Free Assembly black blazer. They're really nice for the price. They have the smaller collar, lapel, relaxed through the wrist, completely lined, same fit through the back. They're regularly, I'm pretty sure these are $34. They're now on sale for $11.74. New chambray dress from Terrence Guy. So this is their plus line, has the smaller collar, full functioning buttons, the 2 flat pockets with the button on the wrist, scoops in the middle, also comes with the belt and the seam in the back. And they are going to be $24.98. New jumpsuit from Jessica Simpson. This one has the smaller collar, it's zip, it has that banded waist, the seam detailing, pork chop pockets, and then it's a flare. How cute is this with the seam detailing in the back, only in the mid-tone, and they are going to be $40. New velvet floral dress from Madden NYC. This one has the thin strap, squared neckline, it's a midi length, and open in the back. Comes in the black, also in the red, and they are $18. Embellished dress from No Boundaries. These are strapless. They have the sticky, the little bow, side zip, nice and stretchy. It's a smaller fit and it comes with the straps, and these are going to be $18.98. Lots of metallic pieces. Jumpsuit strapless from No Boundaries. Has the seam detailing in the waist. Also comes with the belt. Flare pants in the silver. Also comes in black with the silver. And they're $18.98. In the last video, I shared that the utility style is still on trend. It's coming back for 2025. This Jumpsuits from PLAID has the smaller collar, full button, side pocket with the elastic going through the back. This one's a straight leg, has pockets on the back in the green, also comes in gray, and they're $36. The thicker material, it has that band around the neckline, sleeveless. There is a little bit of a shimmer with the drop tier. Has that tie in the back. It's oversized with that same kind of fit. And these are $34. I saw somewhere that navy is going to be the big color for winter. Also new pinstripe button down oversized shirt from Scoop. So this has the contrast collar. Has the button detail on the wrist. It's a little bit of a bell style. So it looks like you can see it's oversized with the diagonal stripe, and then really good length with the little slit. So this is the extra small. I think it would be too short to wear as a dress. Maybe you could do little shorts, but it has that seam detail in the back. So it comes in the gray and white pinstripe with the white collar. Also the solid white option. I'm seeing so many looks styled with these oversized white button down. So really cute for now. Also going to be perfect for spring, and they're $24. New spring prints in the area nightgown. So these have a scoop neckline. It has that crochet trim side seam detailing, Henley buttons, midi length. It's flowy. In this blue with the navy polka dot, there's also this navy floral white with the little pink and blue flowers. How cute is the pink floral? We also have this pink floral. There's another blue, this blue and pink paisley, and then the blue and white, and those are $14.98. And then nightgowns from Joyce Bun, they have that same stitching, Henley buttons. It's the banded wrist relaxed fit in the blue hearts, also the white with the red, and these are $12.98. New prints in the short sleeve nightgowns from Joyce Bun. So these have that plunging V to short sleeve with the pocket, soft stretchy material, midi length with the slit, in the black with the pink flowers, also gray with the pink stripes. They have this pink with the heart and then the leopard, and those are $12.98. New lace pieces from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, scoop neckline, seam detailing under the bust, and it is double lined in the bust area in the pink. Also comes in black, and these are, I think they're $16.98. Also dresses from No Boundaries. These have that crew neckline, cap sleeve, midi length, a little slit on the side, and then that same fit through the back with the seam detailing. Comes in pink, black, there's purple, and this really pretty mint, and they're $10. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.